Welcome students. This is our Olympiad exams practice paper. Today I will discuss about articles and preposition. Today I will discuss the articles and preposition. So when we will do these things, first we know what is articles and what is prepositions. Articles. What is articles? The words a, an and the are called articles. The words a, an and the. A, an and the are called articles. These are used to indicate which persons, animals or things we are referring to in a sentence. Again I am repeating. The words a, an and the are called articles. These are used to indicate which persons, animals or things we are referring to in a sentence. And they are used before singular nouns. They are used before singular nouns. The words a, an and the are called articles. These are used to indicate which persons, animals or things we are referring to in a sentence. They are used before singular nouns. Now you see the questions. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable article a, an or the. Number 1, Riya. Riya knows dash unique method to solve this puzzle. Riya knows dash unique method to solve this puzzle. First I told that these are used to indicate which persons, animals or things we are referring to in a sentence. So here Riya is a person, so Riya is a singular form, so we will give in here that A is the answer. Number 2, I saw dash owl on the tree. I saw dash owl on the tree. You know a, E, I, O, U is that vowels. So before vowels we will put an, because the after dash owl is O, that is vowel. So here the answer is an. Number 3, the GK test will last for dash hour. The GK test will last for dash hour. This is the answer is an. Number 4, dash lotus temple is in Delhi. Dash lotus temple is in Delhi. Here the answer, because the lotus temple, this is the particular place, so this one the answer is the. The lotus place is in Delhi. Number 5, dash Himalayas are in the north of India. The options are the and a, no article. Number 5, you see, because the Himalayas is a particular place, so here the options are the. The is the answer. Number 6, dash Delhi is my birthplace. Dash Delhi is my birthplace. Here you see Delhi already a particular place name, so no need to any article. So here the answer is no article. Number 7, the dash oil kept in the pan is hot. The dash oil kept in the pan is hot. Here the oil kept in the pan is hot. 8, the princess lived in dash. The princess lived in dash very big palace. Lived in the, here the answer is the very big palace. Number 9. Sorry students, this is the answer. Here the answer is A. The princess lived in dash very big place. The princess lived in a very big place. A very big place. 9. Nidhi's grandpa goes to city park close to their house for morning walk. Nidhi's grandpa goes to the city park close to their house for morning walk. Number 10. Milk is very important for the growing children. Dash milk is very important for the growing children. Here milk is a particular thing, so here no need any article. The answer is no article. Number 11. Ginger is dash effective remedy for cough. Ginger is dash effective remedy for cough. Ginger is an effective. This word is started with that vowel, so here the answer is N. Isita bought dash oven to bake a cake. Isita bought dash oven to bake a cake. Isita bought an oven. Because O is a vowel, so before vowel we will be put it here N. Number 13. Mr. James is dash European, not dash Asian. Mr. James is a European, not an Asian. Number 14. His father is dash engineer in dash factory near the bus stop. His father is dash engineer in dash factory near the bus stop. Here the factory is a particular thing, that is the near of bus stop, so that's why A. His father is an engineer. His father is an engineer in the factory near the bus stop. Number 15. Dash Gandhi Museum is situated near dash Akbar Hotel. Dash Gandhi Museum is situated near dash Akbar Hotel. We know that the particular place, things are names, that time we will use the the. So here answer is the Gandhi Museum is situated near the Akbar Hotel. See number B. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable preposition. First we know what is preposition. What is preposition? What is preposition? We know that preposition, what we will use before means, or a preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. Preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. Like you see, the thief ran to the door. The thief ran. If I will tell here the thief ran the door, it's not completed. So this time we will use here to. These prepositions are making a relation between noun or pronoun. They are making a relation between noun or pronoun. If I am telling here the thief ran the door, it's not completed. So the thief ran to the door. The thief ran to the door. It's the prepositions, the parts of different, that is prepositions of time, prepositions of place, and prepositions of movement. Like, that's why you see here prepositions of time. On time only we will give that, we will use on that time at, since, for, before, until, and till. In prepositions of time indicate a specific period of time. Prepositions of time, it is indicate a specific period of time such as month, date, time, and day. On that time we will use prepositions of time. And what will be we will use, that is at, since, are, before, until, and till. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are used to refer to the place where something or someone is located. Prepositions of place are used to refer to the place where something or someone is located, like by, near, between, beside, behind, in front of, or under. And prepositions of movement. In prepositions of movement, so movement from one place to another. This one, prepositions of movement, is showing that movement from one place to another place. Like I am telling the sentence, the thief ran to the door. That means the thief move. So that's why ran to the door. Which side they have ran? The thief ran to the door. So on that time, some we are using here other things also, like around, over, towards, and along. See, the small cottage is dash the trees. The small cottage dash the trees. The small cottage among the trees. The small cottage is among the trees. The plane is dash the clouds. The plane is dash the clouds. The plane is above the clouds. The plane is above the clouds. Rohan is running dash the dog. The Rohan is running dash the dog. Rohan is running behind the dog. Rohan is running behind the dog. My colleagues agreed dash my proposal. My colleagues agreed to my proposal. It is dangerous to run dash the road. It is dangerous to run dash the road. So here the answer is, it is dangerous to run across the road. (21) Shakti sat dash me and completed her homework. Shakti sat and dash me and completed her homework. Shakti sat at me. Shakti sat beside me and complete her homework. The cat jumped dash the empty swimming pool to catch the mouse. The cat jumped dash the empty swimming pool to catch the mouse? Here the answer is the cat jumped into the empty swimming pool to catch the mouse. We have a beautiful garden dash our house. We have a beautiful garden dash our house. We have a beautiful garden in front of our house. In front of our house. They returned dash the party. They returned after the party. All my friends agreed as to me. All my friends agreed with me. Rita went dash the stairs and slept in the room. Rita went dash the stairs and slept in her room. Rita went up the stairs and slept in her room. The doctor advised the children to take care dash their teeth. The doctor advised the children to take care of their teeth. I saw a bus loaded dash passengers. I saw a bus loaded with passengers. We are proud dash our motherland. We are proud dash our motherland. We are proud of our motherland. Let's get rid dash all bad habits. Let's get rid of all bad habits. Now you see horse question. The 31. I like dash questions from dash Bible. I like dash quotations. I like dash quotation from dash Bible. I like the quotation. I like the quotation from the Bible. I like the quotation from the Bible. We saw dash boat in the lake. We saw dash boat in the lake. Dash boat was of blue color. We saw a boat in the lake. The boat was of blue color. I played dash hockey last Sunday. I played hockey last Sunday. I played hockey and hockey. Not a single things are here. So here no article. I played hockey last Sunday. Never do anything dash your parents. Never do anything dash your parents wish. Never do anything against your parents' wish. Never do anything against your parents' wish. The board meeting was put dash because the president did not come. The board meeting was put dash because the president did not come. The board meeting was put off. Here you see the spelling double F, O of double F. So here the board meeting was put off because means that they are meeting, stop the meeting. Off means stop. Stop the meeting because the president did not come.